Welcome to English Podcast. Hi, I'm Marco, and I'm back with a new episode. I'm here to help you speak English more easily and with confidence. Today, I am talking about 40 common phrases used at the airport. Vocabulary in English. Great. Let's start. In this article, we will be discussing the common phrases used at the airport. It can be overwhelming to understand all the different terms and expressions used. That's why in this article, we will be breaking down the most common phrases used at the airport into 3 categories. Phrases used by staff, phrases used by passengers, and technical terms. By the end of this article, you will have a better understanding of the language used at the airport and feel more confident navigating through it. So whether you're a first-time traveler or just looking to brush up on your airport vocabulary, keep reading. Phrases used at the airport. Common phrases used at the airport by staff. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Used as a greeting to customers and passengers. Can I help you? Used to ask if a customer needs assistance. Please show me your boarding pass. Used to request a passenger's boarding pass to verify their flight information. Where are you flying to? Used to ask a passenger's destination. What terminal is your flight departing from? Used to ask which terminal a passenger's flight will depart from. Would you like assistance with your luggage? Used to offer help with carrying a passenger's luggage. Please proceed to security. Used to direct passengers to go through the security checkpoint. Boarding will begin in 20 minutes. Used to inform passengers that boarding for their flight will start soon. Your flight has been delayed. Used to inform passengers that their flight has been postponed. Have a safe trip. Used as a farewell to passengers as they leave. May I see your passport ID, please? Used to request a passenger's identification document. Your flight is now boarding. Used to inform passengers that it is time to board the plane. Please fasten your seatbelt. Used to remind passengers to buckle their seatbelts. We have landed. Used to inform passengers that the plane has arrived at its destination. Can you place your carry-on under the seat or in the overhead compartment? Used to request that passengers store their carry-on luggage. We apologize for the inconvenience. Used to express regret for any issues or problems a passenger may have experienced. Where is your final destination? Used to ask a passenger's end destination after connecting flights. Can I assist you with anything else? Used to ask if a passenger needs additional help. Your flight has been canceled. Used to inform passengers that their flight has been canceled. Have a good day, evening. Used as a farewell to passengers as they leave. Common phrases used at the airport by passengers. Where is the check-in counter? Used to ask where to go to check in for a flight. What time does my flight leave? Used to ask for the departure time of a flight. Can I change my flight? Used to ask if it is possible to modify a flight reservation. Do I need a visa to enter the country? Used to ask if a visa is required to enter a particular country. Can you help me find my gate? Used to request assistance in locating the gate for a flight. What is the baggage allowance? Used to ask how much luggage a passenger is allowed to bring. Can I bring liquids in my carry-on? Used to ask if liquids are allowed in a passenger's carry-on luggage. I would like to upgrade my seat. Used to request an upgrade to a better seat on the plane. Where is the restroom? Used to ask for the location of a restroom. Can I have a vegetarian meal? Used to request a vegetarian meal on a flight. I lost my luggage. Used to report a lost piece of luggage. Can I have a blanket pillow? Used to request a blanket or pillow on a flight. I would like to request a wheelchair. Used to request assistance for mobility difficulties. Can I get a boarding pass, please? Used to request a boarding pass from check-in staff. Where is the airport lounge? Used to ask for the location of an airport lounge. Can I exchange currency here? Used to ask if it is possible to exchange money at the airport. Is there a place to store my luggage? Used to ask for a place to store luggage before or after a flight. Can I get a receipt, please? Used to request a receipt for a purchase made at the airport. What is the boarding time? Used to ask for the time that boarding for a flight will begin. I would like to report a lost item. Used to report a lost item to airport staff. Airport vocabulary director. The act of leaving a place. In an airport, this refers to the departure of an aircraft from a gate. Arrival, the act of coming to a place. In an airport, this refers to the arrival of an aircraft at a gate, a specific location where passengers board or disembark from an aircraft. Runway, a strip of pavement used by aircraft for takeoff and landing. Terminal, a building that serves as the main entry and exit point for passengers at an airport. Baggage claim, the area where passengers retrieve their checked luggage after a flight. Security checkpoint, an area where passengers go through security screening before boarding a flight. Overhead compartment, a storage space above a passenger's seat in an aircraft. In flight entertainment, a system that provides movies, TV shows, music, and other forms of entertainment on a flight. Icing, the process of removing ice from an aircraft before takeoff to ensure safety. Wing, the part of an aircraft that produces lift and allows it to fly. Altitude, the height of an aircraft above sea level. Autopilot, a system that allows an aircraft to fly without manual control by the pilot. Flight plan, a detailed plan that outlines the route, altitude, and other information for a flight. Headwind, a wind that blows in the opposite direction to the path of an aircraft, making it harder to fly. Oxygen mask, a device that provides oxygen to passengers in case of an emergency. Pilot, a person who operates and controls an aircraft. Seatbelt, a safety device that secures passengers in their seats during takeoff, landing, and turbulence. Tailwind, a wind that blows in the same direction as the path of an aircraft, making it easier to fly. Turbulence, unpredictable and sudden movement of the air that can cause discomfort and unsteadiness in an aircraft. Understanding the language used at the airport is essential for a smooth and stress-free travel experience. We hope that this article has helped you learn some common phrases used by staff, common phrases used by passengers, and technical terms used at the airport. By familiarizing yourself with these terms, you can better understand what is going on around you and feel more confident navigating through the airport. So next time you're at the airport, take a moment to review this article and be prepared to use these phrases with ease. Safe travels. Why is airport vocabulary important for English learners? Airport vocabulary helps English learners communicate effectively during travel, understand announcements, read signs, complete travel procedures, and feel more confident when flying internationally. 2. What are the most common airport vocabulary words? Some of the most common airport vocabulary words include boarding pass, check-in, counter, sleaze, check, passport control, baga, claim, carry-on luggage, flight, attendant, customs. 3. What is the difference between carry-on luggage and checked luggage? Carry-on luggage is a small bag you take with you onto the airplane and store in the overhead compartment or under your seat. Checked luggage is handed over to the airline at check-in and stored in the aircraft's cargo hold. 4. What does boarding mean at the airport? Boarding is the process of passengers entering the airplane before departure. Airlines usually announce boarding when it is time to go through the gate and take your seat on the aircraft. 5. What is a boarding pass? A boarding pass is a document, either printed or digital, that allows you to enter the airplane. It contains important information such as your flight number, gate number, boarding time, and seat number. 6. What should I do if my luggage is lost? If your luggage does not arrive at your destination, report it immediately to the airline's baggage service desk. Provide your baggage tag and flight information so the airline can locate your bag. Point 7. What is the difference between a non-stop flight and a connecting flight? A non-stop flight travels directly to the destination without stopping. A connecting flight requires passengers to change planes at another airport before reaching their final destination. 8. What travel documents do I need for international flights? Most international travelers need a valid passport, a visa if required by the destination country, boarding pass, travel insurance documents. Optional but recommended additional entry documents. Depending on the country. 9. What are some useful English phrases to use at the airport? Useful airport phrases include, where is the check-in counter? What time does boarding begin? Can I have a window seat, please? Where is the baggage claim area? My flight has been delayed. Can you help me find my gate? 10. What does gate change mean? A gate change means the airline has moved the departure location of your flight to a different gate within the airport. Passengers should check airport screens and announcements regularly for updates. 11. How can I improve my airport English before traveling? You can improve your airport English by learning common airport vocabulary, tracking travel-related dialogues, watching airport and travel videos in English, reading airport signs and announcements online, using vocabulary words and example sentences. 12. What is the difference between customs and immigration? Immigration officers check passports, visas, and travel documents to determine whether you can enter a country. Customs officers inspect luggage and goods to ensure travelers comply with import and export regulations. 13. What does final call mean at the airport? A final call is the last announcement inviting passengers to board their flight. If you hear a final call for your flight, you should proceed to the gate immediately. 14. What is travel insurance, and why is it important? Travel insurance helps protect travelers from unexpected problems such as medical emergencies, trip cancellations, delayed flights, or lost luggage. It can provide financial assistance during travel-related emergencies. 15. How many airport vocabulary words should beginners learn? Beginners should start with 20 to 30 essential airport words and phrases. Once comfortable, they can gradually expand their vocabulary to include more advanced travel and aviation terms.